Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to our respectful lecturer, Sir Muhammad Arif bin Othman, and my fellow friends. Oh, my name is Shahadad bin Abidin, and my group members consist of Nur Nadziera binti Nazri, Wan Nur Asiah binti Wan Rasdi, Nur Adila binti Ramlon, and Nur Fazrina binti Alias. So now, our group will present our Ideal School, which is STEM School. Firstly, let we take a look at the introduction of our STEM school. For your information, STEM. STEM is an approach to learning and development that integrate the area of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. For your information, nowadays, global economy is changing. New job emerging every day as a result of technological advance. Right? So currently, for your information, employer demand for STEM qualification and skill is high, and it will continue in future. Recently, according to the research, about 75% of job in industry require worker with STEM skill. Therefore, in order to compete in this fasting emerging requirement of workforce, STEM school is introduced. Moreover, the continual advance in technology changing the way students learn and interact every day. Because of that, skills developed by students through this STEM school will provide them with the foundation to succeed at school and beyond. Lastly, STEM school also empowers individuals with skills to succeed and adapt to this changing world. Alright, so next, let me take a look at our STEM school vision and mission. Right, so the vision of our STEM school is to be center of excellence in innovative and world-class education in STEM. Right, so by having this vision, it provides the purpose and the direction of our STEM school, and also will motivate and inspires us to keep on going to achieve our short and long-term goal. Right, so and the mission of our STEM school the first one is to provide students with high potential in the field of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And the second one is educate educate students to the highest level of academic achievement and enable them to reach and expand their potential. So, by having this mission in our STEM school, it will help us to focus on the work and maximize our energy to give high impact on our target. All right, so that's all for my presentation. So next I will pass to Cikgu Nazira to continue this presentation.
Thank you, Shahadad. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera to Sir Arif and my fellow friend. So I would like to proceed our presentation with core values and culture in our ideal school, which is STEM school. So there are several core values and culture that we decided to implement it in our ideal school, STEM school. Alright, so first, problem solving. Second, critical thinking. Third, teamwork, curiosity, and also acceptance of failure. So first, problem solving. Why is the problem solving is very important? Because problem solving is the ability to solve various kinds of problems through negotiations and collaborations. So to be specific, problem solving in STEM is about using math and science to solve real world challenges and problems. So for examples, revolutions of telephone to smartphones. So we can see the modification in each and every phone is invented only for the convenience of human life. So many technology had come out with much better innovations. With our old generation, we are using telephones, so very heavy, difficult to carry everywhere, and the functions are very limited compared to smartphone that we are using now. So there are more functions that we can use. Alright, so next is critical thinking. So critical thinking very important in STEMs because if we want students to succeed in life, we teach them how to think critically and solve problems. So because critical thinking can lead to development their judgment, evaluations, and problem solving abilities. For example, so in STEM we do learn. Students have to learn mathematics. Additional mathematics is one of the subject. So in additional mathematics, we do learn topic integrations and differentiation. So, but how this topic can benefit us in our daily life? Actually, integrations is used to design Petronas tower to make it stronger. Another example, Sydney Opera House. Sydney Opera House is built by using many differential equations to design it. Very interesting. Okay, so next is teamwork. Teamwork, very important. STEM educations can prepare students to work together successfully in teams because they must have desire to succeed, and they have to be able to make decision together with greater goal in mind, right? So and then next is curiosity. Curiosity children, we know that all children in this world are born with a natural curiosity. For example, we give a child a toy and watch them play for hours. Listen to the question that a child asks. Okay, so because curiosity makes them eager to explore and learn something new. All right, so last one is acceptance of failure. So most of the students very fear with failure. Actually, failure is not bad at all. Failure actually is an opportunity to learn from the mistake and errors of self and others. So it embraces for its potential, students' potential to promote creativity and innovation. So actually, failure can help students to improve themselves and to be more creative and innovative. So that's all from my part. For core values and culture, I would like to invite Fazrina to continue our presentations. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you, Nazira. Assalamualaikum. I'm your Fazrina binti Alias, and now I will continue our presentation with a curricula implemented in our STEM school. Okay, so our curricula divided into two. So we have a core subject and also specialized subjects. For the core subject, we have Bahasa Melayu, Sejarah, English, Pendidikan Islam for Muslim students, and Pendidikan Moral for non-Muslim students. Some people might be asking, why we need to study this subject when we are from schools? Okay, let me answer you. Bahasa Melayu and Sejarah are the mandatory past subjects in the SPM examination. Okay, so students have to receive their SPM certificate in order for them to pursue their education to higher institutions. Then we have our core subject is English language. We know that all over the world, English language is the main language of study in every education system. Okay, so for the students, it's very important to learn and understand the English language in order for them to further study. Plus, in most schools, college, and even university, the educations and even the reference book is in English language. Okay, next we have Pendidikan Islam and Pendidikan Moral. So these two subjects aim to nurture morality and noble values. Okay, so Islamic education, okay, is an effort to guide the growth and development of students' personalities so that they live according to the Islamic. Education is not only aims to produce good citizens, but we wanted also, okay, to produce a good moral individual. Okay, next we have a specialized subject which are computer science, design and technology, physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics, and engineering. Okay, so we look into the first subject, which is computer involve the basic coding. Alright, so coding is actually an essential skill in many demand jobs today. Alright, so more than that, coding teach life skills like problem solving, okay, and then persistence and also confidence. Okay, the next portion of computer science is computational thinking. Okay, so computational thinking is not just a computer skill, alright? So it's an approach to problem solving, helps any academic subject, or it can be implemented on a real life project. The last one for me is a design and technology subject. Okay, so students learn how to product. Okay, students learn how products and systems are designed and manufactured. The students also learn how to be innovative and be creative and use a variety of resources, including any digital technologies, in order to improve the world around them. Next, I pass to Wan Asiah to continue with other specialized subjects. That's all from my part. Thanks.
Thank you, Fazrina. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To our lecturers, Arif, my fellow friends, and all viewers. Okay, so I am Nur Asiah binti Wan Rasdi. I will proceed with our group presentation with some more curricular or specialized subjects that I used in our ideal school, which is STEM school. Okay, so the next subject that is taught in our school is science, where science is everywhere in the world around us. Okay, basically science are divided into three major areas, which are physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, the main objective of these subjects is to study and try to understand the universe and everything in it. Okay, so basically physics is divided into some smaller branches, which are mechanics, geometrical optics, electricity and magnetism, thermodynamics, atomic physics, and waves. While biology is the study of everything that is or was once alive, whether it is a plant, animal, or microorganism. Some of the major fields of biology that is taught in our school is biochemistry, ecology, genetics, and physiology. While the third major area of science is chemistry. So chemistry is the study of matter, what is consists of, what its properties are, and how it changes. Five main disciplines of chemistry are physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and biochemistry. Okay, so other than science, mathematics is also one of the most important subjects in our STEM school. Being one of the most established academic subjects globally, okay, mathematics are divided into four distinct areas, which are number theory, algebra, geometry, and mathematical analysis. Okay, and one last major specialized subject in our STEM school is engineering. Okay, so what is actually engineering? Engineering is what connects the disciplines. Okay, engineers seek solutions to problems and then apply scientific knowledge and mathematics to design, to build, and to maintain technologies to solve problems around the world. Okay, engineering, put simply or in simpler words, is used to create technology. So without engineering, there will be no technology. Okay, so apart from all the main specialized subjects mentioned earlier, our school's curricula also includes some more specific elective subjects, where students can choose based on their interests and potentials. Okay, there are robotics engineering, automotive engineering, electrical engineering, accounting, economics, finances, pharmacology, astrophysics, anatomy, sports science, and etc. Okay, while studying and mastering all the main specialized subjects are compulsory, okay, we will guide our students to choose their own paths for elective subjects mentioned just now based on their potentials and interests. Okay, the curricula used in our school, as mentioned by Fazrina and me earlier, okay, they are in line with our school's vision and mission. Where our vision is to be a center of excellence in innovative and world-class education in STEM. Our mission is to provide students with high potential in the field of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Okay, that's all for curricula used in our school. So I will pass the next part to Adila to explain about the support systems in our STEM school. Okay, thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you to the previous presenter. My name is Adila and I would like to talk about the support system. Okay, so as you can see, there are a few facilities that we want to implement in our ideal school. Okay, for example, we have science lab. Okay, science lab is a great place for students which help them enhance their learning by understanding the theoretical concept that are taught in the classroom. So this will help them to learn the studies in a better way by conducting their own experiments. So it gives the students first-hand experience and better opportunities for learning. Okay, so well-designed laboratories not only makes the experiments fun, but it also helps the students in achieving good academic results. Okay, the next one is engineering lab. Okay, so engineering are involved in all aspects of designing, building, and also testing new technologies and products. Okay, thus engineering allows students to gain more knowledge through hands-on skills. Okay, so this will also incorporate their problem-solving skills in real life through experiments and also projects. This will also enhance their creativity skills. Okay, next one is computer lab. So computer lab is a space provided for students to learn computer basic softwares and internet, which is very vital in our daily life. Okay, so computers are very helpful in communication, education, and many more. Okay, some of the facilities we want to implement are robotic lab, coding lab, and also design and simulation lab. Okay. And the next one is library with working spaces. So as we all know, library is a place where students gather more knowledge about any particular subjects. So the working space can be set out for individuals or in groups. Okay, so they can find information that they need and discuss together about completing assignments, project, presentations, and many more. Okay, so for consultation room, this is especially set up for teacher and student discussion. Okay, so whenever students require consultation regarding assignments, progress in syllabus, and also possible improvements for the students to make, they can have the discussion over that. Okay, so the students can take the advice and improve themselves in the future. Okay, so career counseling. A career counselor listens to students' career aspirations and advise them on the subject requirement needed to attain that career. So if a student doesn't know what career they are interested in, the counselor may give the student a career aptitude test or either career interest test to help with the discovery process. So that's all for the support system. So in conclusion, our ideal school cater on STEM subjects, which is vital in today's working environment. So the curriculum and facilities in the school provide students with critical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, and creativity, which prepares them for the working world in the future. So that's all for us. Thank you.